Hello everyone! So I just got home with the kids from back to school shopping at Walmart. I have some exciting news for you guys. Cricut is now available at Walmart. So if you didn't know that, you can go over to the craft aisle and you'll find an entire aisle filled with Cricut goodies. They have the cutting machines, have vinyl, DIY material, all sorts of supplies for Cricut. And I am so excited that now when I go to get some milk, eggs, bread, I can sneak over to the craft aisle and find some Cricut supplies, which is amazing. I want to say thank you so very much to Cricut Canada for sponsoring today's video. Later on throughout the video, I'm going to share with you some really simple DIY or how to customize back to school supplies. I'm going to be working with my daughter and the Cricut Joy, which is their small portable cutting machine. Cricut has this little portable machine that lets you feed through long pieces of vinyl so you can work on longer or bigger projects, smaller pieces of vinyl, and also you do not need a cutting mat. So if you use a smart vinyl, it's really easy to take with you on craft shows if you're personalizing things on the go. But for today, we're going to work on some back to school supplies and personalizing those. I'm also going to take you through Walmart, share with you some of the fantastic things that you can customize using the Cricut supplies. And I just want to say I hope you find some inspiration in this video. If you'd like to see some more back to school ideas, definitely check out Cricut Canada. They have a Facebook and an Instagram. I will try to get their links and put them down in the description below. And I hope you enjoy walking through Walmart with me. Just inside Walmart, doing some back to school supply shopping, I wanted to share with you some ideas on what can be personalized. These have deep drawers, which are great for organizing things in a bedroom, in a dorm room, in a classroom, and you can easily customize the front. Lunch containers, you put a little image on it or a name. These are also great for storing accessories, craft supplies, school supplies, and are stackable. Perfect for a teacher, for a dorm room, or even for the house organization. I couldn't be happier that Walmart is now carrying Cricut supplies. So you have DIY material, tools. Cricut has their vinyl available here for sale. And the Cricut Joy has the smart vinyl, these small packets here, which make it really easy to feed through your Cricut Joy, and you don't have to use a mat. They have all of the cutting machines available here. They even have the Cricut Easy Press, which is great for ironing on and pressing down iron-on vinyl. All their cutting machines are here. They have all the mats here. They have vinyl. I'm actually going to be purchasing the Cricut Joy and some smart vinyl. There's some transfer tape. I actually need the small for the Cricut Joy as well. And yeah, I'll grab this one. So I'm really happy that I'm able to just go grocery shopping and then scoot over here and grab anything on the go. But today's purpose, I do have some DIYs for personalizing the kids' school supplies. So I'm going to stick with that and what is kind of needed for their things. But look at all these beautiful colors here. They have the smart vinyl for the large rolls as well. There's the smart iron-on vinyl, and they even have a variety of glitters and different styles here. I've been meaning to ask, has anyone used their foiling kit, and how do you like it? Oh wow, I have never seen this giant set of markers for the Cricut. What a beautiful package. And here's the Cricut Joy. So I'm just gonna load that up into my cart. I love it. I'm so excited. Your DIY best friend. These are some items you can easily customize or personalize, especially with the fabric. So the binders with the fabric, the vinyl binders, just use permanent vinyl and you'll be good to go. So something like this, you can add an image on the front, your child's monogram or their name, or a pretty saying, or if they have a favorite quote, you can definitely customize it that way as well. So these are fantastic for that. Here's another really nice 5-star ring binder, and it has a zipper. Really nice and practical. You can customize, of course, backpacks. You can do something along the front, but if you also don't want your child's name written along the front, you can tuck it in maybe, or something along the back, or even on the band. You can put a little logo just so they know it's their own backpack. Or of course you can put something on the inside. Water bottles are another great item to purchase at Walmart, and then you can add maybe this one, not specifically because it already says princess, but something that doesn't have anything written on it. Then you can just add their name sideways, vertical, horizontal, whatever suits your style. A thermos is another great thing to customize along with their lunch bags. So these fabric lunch bags, you can easily use permanent vinyl and of course personalize them, and then your child knows for sure that's my lunch bag. These are great water bottles because they're just simple, and you can write their name vertically or horizontally, or even just wrapped around the center of the bottle. It would work really nicely. Along with the thermos, you can just customize this as well. I love personalized pencil cases, so I think I'm going to purchase a couple for the kids so that I can work on them. These are beautiful lunch bags, nice and wide. And again, easy to monogram or add a custom label to. So here's some more pencil cases. I'm just going to pick one of my favorite and work on that when we get home. There's so many pencil cases to choose from, so definitely pick something that you're going to make good use of and then have some fun customizing it. I really like the look of these pencil cases, and I like that they're also expandable. I'm going to grab one of these caddies because I think this would be perfect for organizing things at home. And don't forget, if your kiddo is wearing masks to school, this is another great item that you can customize for them. Just a quick share here of the haul. So we purchased some of the notebooks with the hard covers. They're a plastic cover. And the index dividers we're going to be customizing. My daughter and I have some cute ideas for that. And then, of course, you can customize these fabric pouches and zip binders. The caddy is going to be also personalized. And, of course, you can personalize rulers, pens, whatever it may be. First, what you want to do is open your Cricut Design Space. And I'm typing, "The magic is in you." I always tell my daughter, all the supplies you have, all the school supplies, but it all comes from within her, and my son as well. So I'm using the honey script. I just thought it was pretty. And then I'm going to cut without a mat. This is so easy. I couldn't get any easier. You select the vinyl that you're using, which in this case I'm using Smart Vinyl Permanent. And look at this. You click go, it starts cutting. It couldn't be any easier. And it's done. So now what I'm going to do is weed it. So you remove all the excess vinyl, any of the in between the letters, anything that needs to be removed that you don't want going on to the surface. And then I'm taking a piece of transfer tape and burnishing it. So back and forth. I like to flip it on its back sometimes and burnish the back, and then you're just going to find the spot on your item and then press it on with your little Cricut press. So I just rub it back and forth until I feel it's ready. This one was being a little finicky, so I just gently peeled back. I usually like working on a 45-degree angle, but for this one here I was finding it was easier just to pull down.
My daughter really liked this saying on her notebook and wanted the pencil case to match. So I just cut "The magic is in you" again, and just transferring some smart permanent vinyl onto this little pencil case. And you just press it down, just even then using the tip just to press down, use your fingers, and this one is good to go as well and ready for school. This time in Cricut Design Space, I'm actually going to images and I typed in science. We're going to make some of the dividers, the binder dividers, into categories and customize them. So there'll be math, science, and we just thought the beaker was really cute for the science divider. So we just picked a really simple, solid image. I'm weeding out whatever is now going to be transferred onto the plastic divider. And using the transfer tape here again, burnishing the front and the back, and then just peeling the image away and transferring it right onto the divider page. Then she'll just print off or write science, math into the little side slots or the indexed slots, and that should be perfect to go. For math, she's customizing a calculator. We cut out an image from the Cricut, and it's just a calculator, and then she's writing in with the Cricut pen. So she wrote math, and then she just traced out the little spaces, and then we just peeled off the access, and that's how this one turned out. For her caddy, we're doing school stuff, and because she absolutely loves to draw, I'm going to add a little custom crayon to the end of her part here. So I'll share with you and I'll let her add in her name. So of course I kind of made this as a little craft session with my daughter to have some quality time with her and have some fun with the Cricut Joy. Really had a blast. She had a blast going through things and selecting stuff with me. So it doesn't just have to be a you project. It could be your kids can be involved as well. And sometimes that makes it even more enjoyable because it really is personal to them. So she picked this crayon. We really liked it, but I had to, as you can see, I just didn't want any more cuts. So I just made it all one solid color on the Cricut Design Space page so that it wouldn't cut up into pieces. And then I just inverted it. You don't have to, because of course you just can flip it over, but I was just sharing with her exactly what it would look like. And so we cut it out on the Cricut Joy. We weeded it, we used the transfer tape. I burnished it again on the front and the back, peeled it away. And then as you can see, there's these little details as well. So we made sure to transfer it onto the caddy. And then she just added in her own little personal touch, which is her name. And she just wrote that in with a marker. If you're a teacher, that would be perfect for a classroom as well. My son, we decided to use a basketball. He's a huge Raptors fan, so I had to use the red permanent vinyl here. And we're just gonna fix it to this plastic cover that's a pen and gear notebook from Walmart. These are fantastic and easy to customize. So just weeding out the basketball, and then I'm just gonna transfer the really thin outline of the basketball onto the notebook itself. We had so much fun working with the Cricut Joy. I can't tell you, my daughter had a blast with me, and we look forward to doing more projects together and customizing other things around the house, that's for sure, or even just doing some crafts together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some inspiration. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.